Good morning, E4. Even though it's Thursday, I'll say happy Friday because today is our Friday. I hope you are all doing well. Just wanted to remind you all that all three assignments for this week are due to me today by 4:30, so please make sure you're turning those in. Um, Again, speaking about grades, I have a lot of you who have not turned anything in yet, or if you have, it's just been a blank sheet. Please, please, please make sure you're paying attention when you're turning things in and you're clicking submit or complete. Please get your missing work into me as soon as possible. The grades and the grading system is being monitored by admin, counselors, especially for seniors, on a at least twice a week basis. I'm in constant contact with your respective APs and counselors because we're doing everything we can to make sure that we are able to show that learning is still happening during this time so that you have enough time and enough evidence to prove that you have been learning and continuing your education during the quarantine period so that we can show it's been happening in order for you to earn your diploma and to graduate. So it is imperative that you continue to do your work. Please turn it into me. I don't know, those of you who've not turned anything into me, I don't know, you're on the Google Classroom. It says you are and that you've accepted the invite, but I've not gotten any work from several of you. So I hope that you're watching some of these videos because I am here to help and I'm trying to update you all with everything that I know as of now. And that is what I know as of now. I do have to have your work turned into me. Everybody can see all of every teacher's Google Classroom. By everybody, I mean admin, counseling, central office, and they're especially looking at the seniors because they're making sure that you all have been doing your work and continuing to do your work, which most of you are doing so that they have enough hours that they can, defend you all to the state, to TEA. This is every school, it's not just MAC, so that we can prove that you guys are good to go for graduation. Okay, so please keep doing that. Secondly, I am going to host another Zoom today for E4 in case you have any questions about the assignments for this week. So I will start that at 11:30. I will send you the ID and the password for the Zoom. You'll be placed into the waiting room and then I'll just admit you guys. And if you have any questions about anything, mainly about the assignment, we'll talk about that first. But if you have any other questions or concerns or just want to check in and say hi, I'd love to see how you guys are doing. I hope to talk to you then. So I will be doing that from 11:30 until noon, okay? So I hope to talk to you guys then. Have a wonderful day and hopefully I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.